Woo! Oh my goodness gracious. That's a car. It's a little bit faster than the average car, that's for sure. Holy cow. I'm ready, Freddie. Hello, everybody. I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. As always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh, my Lord. Hello, everybody. I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. It's Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars on a very cold 29-degree day. Jake, tell them some stuff quickly.
Let me tell them some stuff. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm going to put the phone number above Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down. Call us about this ZL1 1LE with the other 150 or so cars we have in a given time. And also like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help us help you. And when you subscribe, hit the bell because 92% of you that come back and watch these are not subscribed. And it makes me sad, and hitting the bell gets you notified when we make cool videos like this. We make these all the time, don't we, Chris? And we just drove a blue Camaro just like this, another ZL1, a convertible, just last week, but now we got the 1LE Coupe. Can you tell us all about it?
Yes, let's talk about it. It's 2018, hyper blue exterior, carbon fiber Huang front splitter. This is the 1LE, which means it has 19-inch forged aluminum wheels. This has the 6.2-liter Supercharged V8, 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of the torque. It's a 6-speed with 373 rear gears, posi-traction, and look at the size of those giant Brembo brakes. The interior is unbelievable. It really is a beautiful car on the inside.
You think you could unlock it so I could look at it?
Jet black leather, suede interior with red accents.
Oh, the keys are in it. Never mind.
Keys are in it. It is a really nice interior. That is probably some of the best interior I've ever seen. Good old Recaro seats.
Yeah, it's very nice. Very similar to the convertible one we drove last week.
Very.
Although this one's got the big wing on it, the canards and stuff like the ZL1 1LE package gets, and the bigger wheels and tires, which helps you grip up a little bit. And we're gonna need it because it's very cold today.
Chilly.
It's currently 29 degrees, but this is ice blue, so it really fits the theme.
Hyper.
Do you want to pop the hood so we can look in there?
Hyper blue. Hyper blue. Oh.
He's figuring it out, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh. Oh. There it is.
There it is.
6.2-liter supercharged.
Same
V8,
engine as the C7 Z06. So 650 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. It's not slow.
Nope.
It is not slow. It's very quick. And I'm ready to hear it and drive it. How about you?
Me too. Let's do it.
Let's do it. You're as cold as ice.
Nice one. A little foreigner action.
You're willing to sacrifice our love.
I like you as a friend.
That's that's what this car reminds me of. I don't know why. It's cold outside. It's blue. It's cold as ice. Although we're going to do some hot merging action.
Hot merging action.
And I'm sure there's going to be some hot bean tests and hot flybys because it's not a slow vehicle. If I can get my seatbelt on. Modern seatbelts for real people.
Wait until you feel the wonderful, wonderful steering wheel. That is, of course, heated.
I was also going to mention the real modern heated seats.
Oh, yeah, you're
and
on.
Cooled seats that we have down here, but we got the heated ones on.
Oh, look.
Because it's freezing.
I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's got a heads-up display.
Yes, I can. It's right there.
Isn't it cool?
Very nice. It's very cool. This
Just
whole
like
car
the last Starfighter.
This whole car is very cool.
Oh.
What's special with the 1LE package? Front splitter, front canards, big wing, carbon fiber hood, big wheels. Very nice, and
very nice.
6
shifting.
speeds that are manual.
6 speed.
So if you're wondering why this one doesn't have remote start, because it's a stick, but I would give up remote start for a 6-speed any day of the week.
Oh yeah.
Very nice. We also have the infotainment screen here in the middle. I like this better than a lot of the modern stuff, because a lot of the modern stuff, the entire dash is a screen, and I'm kind of hating it. This one has real gauges and stuff over there as well on the dash. Well, real digital gauges, but they make them look like gauges, which is nice. And the two on the side, the RPM gauge and the speedo, are real gauges.
Real gauges.
Which is cool. We're in sport mode right now, it looks like. You can change the modes down here with this button.
Yeah, there's a snow and ice mode too.
It looks like there's
Tour,
Sport, Track, and Snow and Ice. Now, it's not actually snowy or icy right now. The roads are dry, but it is very cold, and there's snow in the grass.
Rev matching is easy. You just use the paddles.
I also love the shifter with the red on it. That's cool. What paddles? What are you talking about?
With this, wait till you see it. See, it says rev match.
Oh, does it have the automatic rev matching?
Yes, it does.
Like
you just
the
turn
C7?
them on. Yep. Or you can turn it off.
That makes you feel like a race car driver.
I feel like I'm a race car driver in this little
With
car.
the automatic rev matching. That's very cool.
Man, this is nice.
You also have real physical buttons for all of your AC controls and stuff, which I love. I also love these.
That does your temp.
Yes, this does your temperature, the little ring around the vent there, which is very cool. I love these vents.
Oh, I do too. They're big.
Electric parking brake.
Boogie, boogie, boogie.
Down here, this real big button by the shifter is traction control, because Chevy knows how to party. We're going to keep that on.
Please.
Because it's very cold and this car is very fast. You also have red stitching all over everything. It's to be able to test out the nice track suspension.
So nice.
Weaving around. You also have a lot of buttons on the steering wheel, including the heated steering wheel button, as
and it's on.
You mentioned.
And it feels great.
And it says ZL1 down there at the bottom.
Yes, it was.
Which is very cool.
I like the black interior with the red accents.
Yeah, and the Alcantara with like two-tone seats are very cool. We also have real back seats for real people. Chris has his coat back there for the flybys, but there's a little bit of legroom. Probably got to get small children if you want to put someone back there, or Lieutenant Dan. He lost his legs, unfortunately.
Oof.
Gary Sinise. Love that guy.
Gary. Yeah.
But yeah,
wow.
not a lot.
Look at that rear view. All you see is big whang.
Big wang?
Man, oh man.
Yeah, there is a big wang back there. You also have, it looks like OnStar, SOS, and whatever that button does.
Do you think Sting will be on the SOS?
I don't think so. That'd be fun though.
Wouldn't it be great if we could just call Sting anytime we wanted to?
We also have programmable garage door buttons.
Oh.
Dome lights that are LED, of course, which is very cool. This is nice. I like this a lot. And how many miles are we showing?
20,243.
Not very many. For a 2018, especially. This thing's already 6 years old.
Can you believe that?
So if you were to do the normal, like 10, 12,000 miles a year, this would be at 70 or 80,000 miles.
Exactly.
So this is low, and this thing is dialed. This thing looks like it's never been used. It's mint in here. There's no scratches or tears or nothing in the seats. They're not even creased, really.
Not really.
And the Recaros, which is just awesome. But yeah, all you see is wing back there.
Wang.
If you look out the back window, just a big wang.
Man, it's a nice car.
Yeah,
Ooh,
I can hear the auto rev matching because I know for a fact that you're not that good at rev matching.
Nope.
And so that has to be the car.
It is definitely the car.
Not that you're terrible at it. Do you rev match your Honda Accord when you slow down?
I sure don't.
I do.
Sometimes I do, like when I'm running on P. Then Highway P, I definitely rev match.
I do it in my Prelude all the time, but it helps me slow down the Prelude. All right, let's let this F-150 get a little bit out ahead of us. So we're gonna do a bean test. Take it easy, Chris. See how many beans it has. First gear beans. Second gear beans. Oh, there it goes. Oh, goodness. And we're caught up to the truck.
That was quick. I only got in second gear.
That was only 35 miles an hour. Not 80.
Nope.
We only do the speed limit here. That's a guarantee. Wow, that was incredible.
Yeah, I didn't even really try.
No, I can tell you didn't even really try.
You don't have to.
I also love that carbon fiber hood out there with the ZL1 badge on it.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, that gate's closed.
Hey, by the way, that gate's closed.
Are they all
the gates closed?
Oh, no.
What are we going to do?
Is our flyby spot closed?
Why?
I wonder. Well, it's probably because no one's using the park because it's all snowy.
Well, we'll have to go somewhere else then. Think about it. Think about it.
I'm thinking about it. We need a new flyby spot.
You want to go on that back road by the big trucks?
Yeah, it's also kind of bumpy over there.
Well, you know what? Why don't let me just pull in the front of one, I'll get out, and then we'll just do it anyway.
We're just pulling here. We'll do it on this side.
There you go. Well, why not? They won't care.
I don't think so.
They shouldn't. You'll just, the exit's all the way down there, right?
Well, I can go out this
Here,
one.
just go out this way.
We'll just go over by this tree.
Let's go by the tree, shall we?
We'll just do it on the other side of the road. Flyby would be a little different because they closed our parking lot.
How dare they?
Anyway,
Rats.
are you ready to do flybys?
I am. Let me get my coat on.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Oh, it's beautiful. She has not been driven that quick in a minute. Oh. Woo! Oh my goodness gracious. That's a car. It's a little bit faster than the average car, that's for sure. Holy cow. Holy cow, Jake.
Boy, you're getting your steps in today, aren't
I sure am. You really went by.
Yeah,
Boy, that's a car.
and that wasn't even close to like full anything. That was like half throttle. Did you hear the rev match when I came back the
God,
second
did I
time?
hear the rev
yeah,
match.
that wasn't me, but it made me feel really cool because the car did it for me. Yeah, this thing's awesome. I mean, this thing's a spaceship, and it is menacing looking on the outside.
It truly
This is
is.
one of the coolest looking muscle cars that anyone makes. I think it's cooler looking than the Challenger, Mustang, and
it beat
Charger.
the Hellcat of the same year, by the way.
Yeah,
I saw
mean,
a video.
It's just so fast, and all the downforce you're getting from the wing. If you want to take this to a track, you're going to beat everyone there, even if you're not that good of a driver, because the automatic rev matching and stuff. But I mean, big Brembos, big wheels, big wang, big
engine.
blue,
big supercharger.
I love it. Are you ready to go back?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.